at the end of the video. We put a new tuff-bin on top of the bus, so we have 2 up there now to hold deep storage things that we don't have to get to very often. We needed to make room in the back for our generator and some other things that we want to be able to access more often from the lower storage below our bed.
So we tried to attach the lock to the outside of the bus so that we don't have to access it via our mattress. So far this is the luck we're having. Some temporary hole fillers because we couldn't get all the way through this side on the inside.
Mentioned to us that locks are an honest man's game, and someone who really wants to get into your stuff's gonna just break a window. And that's a really good point. So we did put a lock on the outside, which will serve as a deterrent, and most of the time we're in the bus or really close by, so we're not too worried about it.